Hi, Bree and Angela. Since there's so many questions about my course map and how my course would be delivered, I thought I would do a screen capture lecture of what and how I've developed a course in Canvas. Here's one of my modules, Introduction to Economics, will be the same one that I have on the course map. If you click on I click on Module 1 Overview, I have the graded work, and we'll go through each of them. If you look at the Module 1 Overview I have right here, so what I do here is I add my information on what I'm looking at, a little overview. I put module learning objectives right here. I put a to-do list, what they should be focusing on right here, readings, concepts, teaching summaries, ancillary PowerPoints, and then I have practice questions for them with answers. Here's their graded discussions, and here their quiz. If we keep scrolling down, I have my lectures posted right here. I have my PowerPoints right here, my teaching summaries that I have provided for each of the chapters. My module resources, you'll notice I have the title, I have the link, and then I have what my comments on the actual video or article is. And I have a lot of these for them to look at. Okay? So that's how I set up my overview of my course. I think that should sufficiently meet your objective because I'm defining right here, overview, learning objective for the modules, to-do list, providing instructional lectures. I'll go to the next thing. Let's go away from the introduction. Let me go to the actual discussion. So here's discussion board number 1, and here's quiz number 1. So if we click on discussion board number 1, quiz number 1, I have it set up. You have 50 questions, 2 attempts, 120 minutes per question. I have some short answer questions in there, so that's where I can give them feedback on my answers. Okay, so that is one of my assessments. Here's a discussion board. You'll notice in the discussion board, I put my requirements. I put my point breakdown. I give them a reference to APA formatting with regard to providing a citation. And here's the question. If you have any more questions on what I'm delivering, but that's what this is coming from in my course map. I told you I'm going to have them do readings. They're going to watch my resources, and they're going to complete these 2 activities. Right there they are. If you have any more questions, let me know.